Welcome to AutoReview Pro, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to set the standard for its class with style, performance, and practicality. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 showcases a sleek and modern design with its signature Kodo styling. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create a striking appearance that makes this SUV stand out on the road. Its carefully sculpted body and refined details reflect Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship and elegance. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers two engine options: a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine delivering 187 horsepower and a more powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 250 to 6 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. With the available iActive all-wheel drive system, the CX-5 ensures superior handling and stability, whether on city streets or rugged trails. Inside, the CX-5 provides a premium experience with its upscale cabin materials and thoughtful design. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 passengers, with supportive seats and ample legroom. The redesigned dashboard features a large 10.3-inch infotainment display with Mazda Connect, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers will appreciate the intuitive controls, while passengers can enjoy the premium Bose sound system for an immersive audio experience. The CX-5 prioritizes safety with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of advanced features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. With its sturdy construction and intelligent driver aids, the CX-5 offers peace of mind for every journey. On the road, the CX-5 excels with its precise steering, responsive handling, and smooth ride quality. The turbocharged engine provides plenty of power for confident overtaking, while the naturally aspirated option ensures fuel efficiency for daily commutes. For those seeking a compact SUV that delivers a perfect balance of style, performance, and technology, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains a top contender. For more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to AutoReview Pro. Stay connected with us for all your automotive insights and updates.